It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be livable. This is something that I'm really trying to live by as I'm doing our slow renovation. There are many parts of our house that need sorting and fixing, like these pipes, and just tons of other work you just would not believe. I mean, look at that pipe work, just so bad. But anyway, lots to do, but there's so much about this house that is livable at the moment, and I just love being in it and feeling the space, what works, what doesn't. And I think most importantly, it's how we use the space and how we can create a home where we can use the space well. And now as we go into 2025, Christmas is gone and we're going full force forward. This week, I'm going to be cleaning up the chimney. I'm going to be ripping down the Artex from the ceiling and hopefully making some good visual progress this week.